Hi, this is Paris from Rapid Visual, and in this video I'm going to explain to you how you can use AI to design very quickly customer value scenes. First of all, what is a customer value scene? It's a very quick prototype of how you make your value explicit by showing to a customer what you think their actual need is, how you think they're solving that need today, and potentially tomorrow with your idea in place, how that might be a better alternative. So you map out these three images through a fictitious scenario that you come up with, and you use that in a real interview with a potential customer to understand if it's relevant, does it echo with them, does it sit well, do they have comments, changes they wish to make. This is a whole process we call the qualitative interview process, and you can find that video or click on that video above and be able to see how that happens. Now, let's go back to our example where we have Disha, who is our food truck operator. Potentially the value that she might be interested in is emergency power backup. And we've spent some time looking at her customer profile, her jobs to be done, her pains, her gains, and we are satisfied with what we see on the screen, but now we want to make the value explicit. And it's not just one value, there may be quite a few. So we click on the customer value scenes icon at the top, and we click on create, and now we have a choice to make. The top three jobs and the top three pains show up on our radar. What is the solution? Well, the solution is the value proposition you've already typed in. And so now what we can do is click on, for example, prepare food quickly as a job that we're trying to address, and running out of power during service, which is the pain that we're directly solving. Click on create customer value scene, and what happens is that the AI creates the visuals and the prompts automatically. It also comes up with the story. So for example, if you click on the edit button, you can see exactly the prompt that was used to generate this and actually do a pretty good job in keeping the character consistent and matching to the persona. But in this case, we're using a bit of a 3D animation type of graphic. You can switch to a photorealistic one to get as close to the image of the persona as possible. So you can make some edits, and then you can click on generate again, and you get a different visual showing up. You can click on the gallery view and you can choose the one that you prefer. The other thing that you see is that you have this call-out bubble that says no power, not again. And maybe I want to edit that and say never again, right? And so that now you have no power, never again. This generator is a hassle, but it's better than nothing. But tomorrow, with solar power, this is a game changer for my mobile kitchen. And that's exactly what you present to people like her to be able to have a conversation around the perception of value, and hopefully it aligns with yours. Now, what we can do here is click to go back to the customer segment, and from here, once we click on customer value scenes again, here's the one we just created. We do this again and again and again until we're satisfied that we're representing the different values that we feel we can offer, and we take those value scenes out to the field, get out of the building, remotely or in person, and have real conversations with customers, because what they say matters a lot more than what you think. Have fun and keep innovating.